Welcome to Parsimony, your all-in-one business management solution. In this tutorial, we'll explore the payment reconciliation function in the Accounts Receivable tool of Parsimony. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to reconcile your payments with vendor invoices using the payment reconciliation feature in Parsimony. Let's start by navigating to the Accounts Receivable module in the Parsimony dashboard. Click on the Accounts Receivable module to access the necessary functions. The Accounts Receivable module is where you manage all your customer-related transactions, including payments and invoices. To reconcile your payments with customer invoices, we'll use the Payment Reconciliation feature. It allows you to match your payments and invoices, ensuring accurate accounting and record keeping. In the Payment Reconciliation list, you'll find an overview of the payments that are pending reconciliation with customer invoices. To start the payment reconciliation process, click on the New button. This will open a new Payment Reconciliation entry form. In the Payment Reconciliation entry form, you'll need to provide various details to reconcile your payments. Start by selecting the appropriate party type for the payment reconciliation. This could be a customer or any other party associated with the payment. Once you've selected the party type, choose the specific party from the drop-down list. This should be the party associated with the payment you're reconciling. Enter the date range of the invoice and payment that you want to reconcile. Enter the invoice and payment amount of the specific transaction. Click on the Get Unreconciled Entries button to show a list of invoices and payments associated with the selected party within the date range you specified. In the list, select the invoice and payment that correspond to what you are reconciling. This should match the payment amount for that specific invoice. Once you've selected the relevant invoices and payments, click on the Allocate button to complete the payment reconciliation process. Congratulations! You've successfully reconciled your payments with vendor invoices using the payment reconciliation feature in Parsimony. Now you can ensure accurate accounting and maintain proper records of your financial transactions. Thank you for watching this tutorial.